Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. This is the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you were to make a purchase. Looks like today we're doing number 249. If we start with this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 7. No help here, 3, 4, 7, and no help here, 3, 4, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here. So this is our 5. A 2 here makes this our 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. 9 here, so that makes this our 1 and our 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so that makes this our 4. Get rid of this 4, and I don't see any help up here, so 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here makes this our 5, 9. Finish out this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. Got a 3 here, so 6, 7, 6 and 7 here. Makes this our 3, which makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 3 and 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 9. Oh, and the 7 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 there, so 7, 4. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. There's a 6 there, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. And for this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 6 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.